YouTube, Jacob with ePoolSupply. Today, we're going to go over a lot. So we're going to show you guys which Intellicenter upgrade kit you guys need. So there's 6 different Intellicenter upgrade kits out there. There's a lot of accessories, but that'll be a different video. But yeah, we're going to dive in right after this break. And we're back from our break. Man, you know what would be cool? That little elephant you just saw coming across the screen, if it sprayed water at the camera. Maybe we can implement that one day. But on a side note, let's dive into this Intellicenter thing. So if you guys have an EasyTouch or an IntelliTouch, this video is for you because Pentair came out with this thing called the Intellicenter. And it is the most advanced automation system out there. It will retrofit easily if you have an EasyTouch or an IntelliTouch. We already have a video out there on us doing one out in the field, but this video is to kind of tell you guys which one you need. So this has ultimately 6 different upgrade kits, but we're going to draw a line in the middle. There's legacy and there's non-legacy. So legacy, it's like pre-2012. I think that's exactly what it is actually. So if your system was made before then, you want the legacy boards. If it was made after that, you want the non-legacy boards, the upgrade kits. So what I'm going to do, the easiest way to tell you this, is I'm going to put 2 pictures up on the screen right now. So you shouldn't be able to see me anymore. Legacy has these 3 relays on the right side. So the 3 relays on the right side of your board, that means you guys have a legacy panel, okay? So if you have a legacy panel, the part numbers that are going to pertain to you are going to be 522045, 522046, and 523218, okay? But if you have a non-legacy panel, that means you have the newer style panel, okay? So it's got the 4 relays on the right, 2 on top, 2 on bottom. Again, there's a picture up there. And these part numbers are going to pertain to you, 522047, 522048, 523049. So now that you've figured out hopefully which panel you have, legacy versus non-legacy, let's break it down, okay? So now that you guys have been split down the middle, there's 3 different type of pool applications out there that cover most applications, okay? So there's pool only, so you don't have a spa at all. You just got a pool. Boom, pool, okay? Legacy version, so the older version, I'm referring to my paper here because there's 6 part numbers, 522045. So if you have those 3 pins on the right and you have a pool only, you're looking for 522045. This kit is going to upgrade your existing EasyTouch or Intellicenter to a nice IntelliTouch. No, Intellicenter. Oh, wow, it's a lot of play on words. EasyTouch, IntelliTouch to an Intellicenter, okay? So now, if you have a pool spa combo means that you guys use the same set of equipment for a pool spa shared body of water. So pretty much imagine you have a spa that spills into a pool, okay? And uses one set of equipment for it. This is your system. So in that system, legacy is going to be 522046. Okay? So now the last set of equipment, say I've got my pool over here and my spa over here. Completely 2 separate sets of equipment. 2 heaters, 2 pumps, 2 filters, 2 everything. It's called a dual system. So that's more of a complicated setup in a system. But again, there's a kit for you. And that's going to be the 523218. Again, legacy, 523218. So now let's talk about those same systems on the non-legacy. So if you have a newer version of an EasyTouch, a newer version of an IntelliTouch, has those 4 relays on top of each other. The pool-only application is going to be 522047, okay? The pool spa combo, again, spa spilling in your pool, shared one equipment set, 522048. And if you have a 523049, that's your dual kit. Okay, your dual kit, pool spa separate, 2 separate equipment, 523049. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put up a graph on the screen so that way you can kind of see what each one is. Okay, there's tons of links down below. Take a look, click on it. You can pre-order it if they're in stock, or if they're not in stock, or buy it today if they are in stock. But all of them are down below in the links below. And these things are relatively inexpensive For the grand scheme of pool automation, this is one of the cheapest upgrade kits that you can buy out there. And this thing will get you iPhone application. So you can literally use the IntelliCenter app and work your entire pool from your cell phone. Super easy kit to install. Again, link below, or I don't know if we can actually input the little blurb on our other YouTube video on how to install one of these things. But super easy. Take a look. It comes with the automation for your iPhone. Comes with everything. Super cool. We highly recommend it. Yeah, that's all I got. Questions, comments below. Ask away. We'll respond. I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Subscribe. Like. Okay? You guys, thanks for watching.